to the country of the survey you want to do. So I've talked about that, right? Times the task number. So you have to set up your Play Store. So if you are doing survey on the UK, you set your Play Store to UK. If you are doing survey on USA, you set your Play Store on USA, right? And your time zone must match your country of your demograph, right? Your time zone, it must match the country of your demograph. Whether you are using UK, let your time zone be UK. Whether you are using USA, let your time zone be USA as your Play Store is set. Like for instance, if I go to this my Play Store, right? Let me show you guys sample. If I click here, this profile, right? So if I come down to this place here, settings, are you seeing it? So I'll come to account, general account preferences and notification, right? Then I'll click on what? Account and device preferences. You can see account, country and history, right? So let me click on it. So as you guys can see over here, this is what? Country and profile, United States, Ugohood. Switch to the Nigerian Play Store. Are you seeing it now? So this my Play Store already is in the United States, and they're telling me to switch what? To the Nigerian Play Store. Are you seeing it? Am I in the United States? No. Where am I currently? I'm in Nigeria. Are you seeing it? But then how was I able to change my Play Store from Nigeria to the United States? Is because I downloaded a VPN or a proxy. Sorry, I downloaded a VPN or I bought a proxy, then I set it up. I'm just using an example, right? So I set it up. Now as I set it up, then I use that VPN or that proxy to enter this Play Store. As I enter this Play Store, I come to this place here, right? So as I come to this place here, I click on what? Switch to the what? United States. And another thing you must ensure that if you want to, because I have been seeing a lot of people saying do video on how to change your country Play Store, or that one you did on your YouTube shorts. They don't understand it because they are saying switch to Nigerian Play Store. Now listen very carefully. You understand? The process is the same thing. You understand? It's just vice versa, right? Now let me explain it in a layman's way. So let's say for instance, I go back here, I come here, right? This is my proxy. So you can see my proxy is already what connected, right? So what I'm going to be doing next is that I'll be going to what? To my settings, right? So I'll be coming to system. So are you seeing it now? So if you are using VPN, connect your VPN, right? If you are using proxy, connect your proxy just as I've connected it, right? So I'll be coming to time and date. Are you seeing it now? Time and date. So you can see over here, my time is 11:16. That's Nigerian time, right? In Ghana should be like 10:16 because we are 1 hour ahead of Ghana, right? If you are in the UK, we are using same time. Your time should be 11:16, right? If you are in America, your time should be towards maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that. So now that my time is 11:17, now you know I'm in this is in Nigerian time, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to toggle this off, this automatical time zone, because this uses my network. You understand? My network provider to give my time accuracy. So I will toggle it off, right? Are you seeing it? So I will click on select time zone. You can see over here my time zone is in West African Standard Time, right? So Nigerian is part of West African. So let's go here and you can see these are West African times, but then I will come down to here, Pacific time. That's the one I use for USA, right? So you can use Pacific time. Look at another USA time, Arizona, right? Because a lot of people used to be like, oh, you only use Pacific. What's special about Pacific? This is the time I just feel like using. You understand? I'm comfortable with. But then there are a lot of time in the United States you can use. This is highway or highway, something like that in the United States, right? If you click on this time zone, it will take you to American. Look at Alaska, it will take you to American. Pacific time, it will take you to American. This is Arizona. to take you to American, right? And as I'm saying, it will take you to American. Those people that are doing UK survey, okay, all of you that are doing UK survey, just go to London, Dublin. You understand? Because UK does not have much time zone like that, right? So go to London, Dublin. So now there are a lot of time you can use for American, right? But then I'm going to be using Pacific time. You can see my time has changed from 11 to 3. So they are in 3 o'clock in American. That's in the Pacific region or Pacific location. So now I'll be going back. So now I've already changed my time zone. Are you seeing it now? So the next thing is that I'll click here, Play Store, right? Sorry, let me just go off. Let me just go off this, right? So let me come back again to Play Store. Are you seeing it? Don't forget, the first thing I actually did, I connected my VPN and my proxy, right? So it doesn't matter. That's, let's say for instance, you are in Nigerian, right? And you want to change your Play Store to the UK or to the US. So the first thing you do, you connect your VPN to the US or to the UK. The second thing you do, you change your time zone to the US or to the UK before entering the Play Store. Or yes, before entering the Play Store. That's for people using Android. You understand? For people using what's it called, iOS, you have to go to your Apple ID to change that. You understand? There's a way to do that on your Apple ID. You understand? So now, once you enter your Play Store, you click on Profile, right? Once you click on Profile, you scroll. You go to what? Settings. Are you seeing it? Once you click on Settings, you come to General, right? So if you click on General, you come to what? Account and Device Preferences, which is Account, Country, and History. So you click on it. Just watch out and see. So once you click on it, right? Let's say for instance, you are using Nigerian, right? Let me scroll. Okay, the reason why this is not showing what's it called? The reason why this is not showing switch to the what's it called? Switch to the Nigerian Play Store is because I'm using American VPN. Are you seeing it? But if you're in Nigerian, right? If you're in Nigerian and you do what I ask you to do, you understand? Your Play Store will be telling you to switch to the UK or to the US depending on the VPN and the time zone you set it on. That's one. So you can see now, this thing is not telling me to switch, right? But then watch out to, I'm going to what? Change my time zone and I'll off my IP, right? Then I'll still come back here, right? You still see. Let me just even leave it like this, right? That's one. So let me go to settings, right? So I'm going to toggle this on so you can see back. I've set it back to West African Standard Time, right? So now I want to off my proxy. Where's my proxy? So I'll stop it. Are you seeing it now? I've stopped my proxy, right? So this place will not load, right? So let me just minimize it out and I'll go and come back. Now watch, I'm going to Play Store. Are you seeing it? So I'll still come back here, right? So I'll go back to what? Settings, General. Now I'll come back here, Account and Preferences. Are you seeing it now? From this part, they said what? Country and Profile, United States, right? Switch to the Nigerian Play Store. Now, why does this appear? Is because I'm using Nigerian time zone. I'm using Nigerian IP. That's the reason why they are telling me to switch from the United States to Nigerian. Are you guys getting what I'm saying now? So this thing is very simple and very easy. So if you want to change to the UK, use UK time zone, use UK VPN or UK proxy. This changing of what's it called? Changing of a Play Store country, it does not require one strong VPN like that or strong proxy. You understand? Just ensure that you are connected. That's just it, and it will change it for you, right? And I also advise people to have more than one email. You understand? More than one email. Why? Because let me go back and show you guys. For instance, let's say there's a, now this is American app. I mean, American Play Store right now. There are some government app in Nigerian I'll be looking for here. I won't find it until I switch to Nigerian Play Store. Are you seeing it? And now I'll be able to find some American apps here. You understand? Some of it I'll be able to find it here, but Nigerian apps is not all I can be able to find, because what, I've already changed my region or my Play Store country. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. If you're understanding what I'm saying, type I am understanding, or I understand, I'm getting you. Just type I'm getting you, so that I'll move out of this place and go to the next place. Type I'm getting you. I just hope you guys are not sleeping, because I can go off this life now.